Welcome. Here I'm going to talk about an algebra question that comes up with my students quite often. So I often get this question. If x squared times x cubed plus 1, I can distribute that x squared, right? That is equal to x to the fifth plus x squared. Yes, true. If that is true, why isn't it the case that x squared times the square root of x cubed plus 1 equals x squared times the square root of x cubed, make that a little neater, plus x squared times the square root of 1. Like, why can't I distribute it into the square root? And I think that the easiest way so this is not okay. And the easiest way to do this is to actually plug some numbers in and show that it doesn't actually work. And so if it doesn't work for every single number, then it doesn't work. It's not true. So let's just consider a number. If I plug in 2, I'll have 2 squared times the square root of 2 cubed plus 1. This is 4 times the square root of 8 plus 1, which is 9. So 4 times 3, and that will give me 12. If I consider the left-hand side, I have 2 squared times the square root of 2 cubed, which is 8, plus 2 squared times the square root of 1, which is 1. And I'm going to put little question marks here above the equal sign because I want to be clear that they are not equal. We're trying to decide if they are. So that's 4 square roots of 8 plus 4, and I plugged this into my calculator to get the decimal approximation, and I ended up with 15.31. So 12 is not equal to 15.31. This is not true. So you are not allowed to distribute into a square root like that. If you have a square root, you have to evaluate what's inside the square root before you look outside of it. Thank you so much for watching.